and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just squeeze me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. And baby, I danced in the dark with you between my hands. I barefoot on the ground and listening to our favorite song. When you look and rest, with my arms and knees, my way, you are it that you have tonight.
Now is the only time you'll ever have. The only time you'll ever have is now. If I could just make my way back to the ground. If I could just make my way back to the surrounds. Now is the only time you'll ever have. The only time you'll ever have is now. Now is the only time you'll ever have. The only time you'll ever have is now. Now is the only time you'll ever have. The only time you'll ever have is now.
Ever let someone call my own? So used to sharing. Now won't you let me alone? I'm the one with the silence. I found peace in your writings. Can't tell me there's no point in trying.
You are now going to be on a whisky journey in what is known as Scotland's most beautiful distillery. So I hope you will agree with me at the end, but it is quite a nice distillery, okay? It is a fully working distillery. Once we go into the production side, if I can just ask you just to stay in your groups, try not to wander off, because I don't know what the stillmen are doing in the corner. There might be equipment out that I don't know about. And you'll also feel there's heat in the air, thank goodness, today. Yeah, any whiskey drinkers, favourites? Yeah.